Right, hi, we are recording a video developing a website using HTML. Right, open Notepad. And then let us have our commands. Open, close HTML. Are you ready? And then have your HTML tag and HTML tag. And let's have another one. This one is for the head and the head. Go to inside the head. Let's have another one. This tag is for the title and title. Then let's type this is a demo lesson on website development. Right, save the website, create a folder, call this folder web dev, and then open the, save this one as index.html.
You left.
Yes.
Is this tag now? You left him somewhere.
No problem.
No problem.
Learn to catch up. Okay. We have saved our, if we go to the folder, there is the index. If we run it through a browser, we should get the title. This is a demo on web development. Keep this one open. Get to this one. Okay. Now tell me now, what is the next tag here?
You put in the body.
Right. There is the body. Type it. And remember, our body is going to be centered. So we use the center command equals, sorry, is the align command equals center. And then this is end body. Right, inside the body we are going to have a table. So begin your table command, end table. And the table is going to have some rows. So this is begin a row. And then inside the row you are going to, let's end the row, table row. Inside the table, let's have a table data, TD and TD. And then we are going to have 3 columns for this table. So we paste those 3. Right, the first, okay, save, add a border to our table equals 2. So this table is going to have a line thick twice. Let's check where we are.
You're saving that.
At the moment there is nothing in the table. Let's check here. Right, this is the body. Let's save and test there. And then let's have something in our table data. So in our table data here we are going to have home, and then our next column is products. Our next one is what? About us. Right, let's test our table if it is running. We've got home, products, about us. We are not seeing the borders. Why?
Because they haven't been put in place.
What is the problem here? We said border is equal to 2. What did we leave out? Okay, the mistake is this border is not the border of the body. It should be the border of the table. Okay, then let's save. Let's test F5. There now, we've got our menu. Now what we are going to do, we are going to center our table. Use align equals center. Save and test. Remove this which is outside. Save and test. F5 to test. There we go. Let's change the width of our body. Width equals 800. And then height equals 900. Let's see our table. F5. Okay. Where is the mistake? Where is the mistake here? I said body align center width equals 800, height. Sorry. This is not the width and height of the body. It's supposed to be width and height of the table. You see the mistakes?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Pick up this mistake as we go. So there we go. You can see we have got only one row. That's why it's taking up the whole width. So we are going to have many rows there. We copy this one and paste many of these rows. Right, we change. The first one is for number. The next one is for names. Next one is for marks. Right. Check how it is gone. There we go. We've got 3 rows now. Now let's correct the other one. So this one is number 1. Then the name of the first area, John. I like John. Then what mark did John get for ICT? 75. Then here let's have a girl, number 2. And then this is pretty. All my examples are pretty. And then what did pretty get? 85. Girls are clever than boys. Right, let's check our table. There we go. We've got pretty. Let us align our data in the center and then do the hyperlinks. For our table row, we align center. So we copy this attribute, paste it here for this row, and also for the second row, also for this second and the third last. Okay, let us have the last row that is going to have an image. Put it as number 2. This one is going to have only one column, but the column will go in column span equals 3. And then this one we are going to have an image there, img, and then src for source, and then here we say logo.jpg. Okay, JPEG. Right, this we end the image. Now we save, we test. 5. Now the image is not showing because this is not being saved. This is the correct tag for image, img source logo. Save it in the same WebDev. So in WebDev you need to put an image with the name logo. So we are going to copy this image into WebDev and then test our browser. There, we managed to have our picture pasted, shown. Right, how to do a hyperlink. A href equals index. This is the file that will open when we click home. HTML, and then we close, and then this side we close the tag. Right, save, F5, there we go. So we have created a link, we have linked to a source, we've created a table, we have centered the column. Thank you. This is the end of the lesson. Goodbye.